twice before. You dart across the floor. Try not to lose your